Blacked Out 4x4 here. I'm back. I got some news for you guys. So yeah, there has been a slight change to the channel name. It is now Blacked Out 4x4. I'm gonna explain why really soon. But I wanna thank each and every one of you guys that have stuck around. So we are going for an adventure. Follow me. We got a Ford F-150 behind me. I wanted to get this for the business. I wanted something that would mimic the sheer size of what I had in the past. And I figured a truck like this is fantastic because of the box that I have at the back as well. I want you guys to stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this truck. I'm gonna show you how this truck handles on 2-wheel versus 4-wheel in the winter. I'm gonna give you an in-depth review of the truck itself. We're gonna go through the details, all the bells and whistles that come with the FX4 that you see behind me here. If you don't own a truck, this might just get you guys thinking about one. So I'm really excited and I'm so happy to be back. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a fun adventure. Take care of yourselves. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys on the next one.